everyone, and welcome to the wild world of e-commerce and the secrets of online selling success at DreamingBig.Academy and DreamingBig.Rocks with Jenny Lenz. I'm the most published early punk rock photographer on the West Coast. I have been selling and licensing my photos since, well, a really long time, and online since 2004. There's a lot of opportunities to sell online, and I'm so eager to share some of the pros and cons of the major players out there so that you use the platform and software that's best for your needs. We start with Shopify because that's the biggie. We'll look at real stores, how the information is organized and what they're selling, and the benefits and tips. By looking at real stores, we'll discuss some of the visual branding, the colors, the layout, the typography. I'm really big on that because if you notice, after my name, Jenny Lenz, there's MFA, Master of Fine Arts. I also have a BA in art and a certificate in computer graphics. And in addition to my photos being exhibited internationally and published, my art has been exhibited as well. And if you spend about 10 minutes with me on any given topic, I'm usually talking about visuals. So that makes a big difference because that helps draw people into your store, your website, your products, whatever. So a little bit about visual branding. Then we're ready to build a Shopify store. The great thing about that is looking at the back end, because most stores have a similar concepts, similar ways of setting things up in terms of, obviously you need products and you need descriptions and you've got a variety of settings. So we'll look at the back end. Then we'll take a brief discussion on Squarespace Ecommerce and go into the back end of WooCommerce with WordPress. Not as much detail as Shopify because it'd be a little repetitive, but WooCommerce is very big out there, as with WordPress, but it has its pros and cons. And we'll talk about clip art resources because some creatives allow you to license their artwork to create print-on-demand products. So whether it's something you create from scratch or using licensed work or a combination, you need it actually manufactured. T-shirts and phone cases and greeting cards and whatnot. So we'll look at print-on-demand vendors and stores. Then another big area is selling digital downloads and printables, especially in the scrapbooking world and on Etsy. It's huge. And we'll talk a little bit about eBay and Amazon. My area of expertise obviously is selling photos, but it doesn't have to be only photos. This is also for any kind of illustration, painting, drawing, and you don't need to have college degrees or be exhibited to do this. People are selling their visuals all over the place in all kinds of media. So it truly is for everyone, not just photographers. Product lists are really important because they help you organize all the information. Plus, in some of the stores, you can upload the product list and save a lot of time. It's incredible. But most people don't even think of making one or know how to. So you will see hands-on with that. And the final is the legal. And the legal has to do with both protecting you so that you're not using content that's you don't have the right to use, as well as protecting the content that you create. That's a big area for me because my photos have been used illegally and people think I'm really rich. If I got paid every time my photos were used, I would live a totally different life. So the legal aspect is really important. You want to get paid for your work and you don't want to get sued for using it illegally. So I go through this in a lot more detail and slowly, but it is a wild world out there, and I want you to have a lot of fun because there honestly is nothing better than getting an email that you've made a sale and made somebody really happy. And Just remember to keep dreaming big, because dreaming big rocks. And I'm Jenny Lenz, and I will see you over at DreamingBig.Rocks for Wild World of Ecommerce, as well as any number of other online workshops. And please tell others, because people are struggling, and everything that I share is in response to what people have either asked me or that I have repeatedly seen online. So let's make this a more beautiful world and get our products and services out into the world and keep dreaming big. Thank you very much, and I'll see you on the other side. Bye now.